See, I was right. Oh, he loves it.
He's gonna be one of these kids can't get in fast enough. No, I'm gonna finish some milk. Go get me his bottle.
Okay.
To help wash this down. Just gotta do me a favor, baby. Over there on that counter is Jackson's bottle. It's already got formula in it. Bring it here. See it? All right, bring it here.
Hold on.
What are you doing?
Washing it.
No, baby, just bring it here. I need that now. No. I need the top on it.
I know. I was gonna rinse it out.
I don't need to rinse it out, baby. It's okay. It's just formula.
He's like, give it to me, give me all of it. I want it all. Yeah, you.
Is it supposed to have the thing inside there?
Yeah.
The ring?
Yeah.
Is there a ring over there? Just take the top off. Bring me the ring, baby. Put the blue part inside there. There you go. Set it in there. There you go.
I wouldn't have. Okay. What? I just
screw it on.
Okay.
Get his mouth cleaned out. What you doing, baby girl?
I lay down, but there is no fluffiness.
You don't want to come sit here and watch your brother eat real food for the first time?
Maybe Daddy would let you give him a scoop. He's like, give it to me.
You don't want to give it to him? You don't want to feed him? Why? Okay. He doesn't even swallow it. He's just holding it in there.
He is a hungry little critter.
You sure you don't want to feed him? Why not? Hold on, baby. Okay.
Here comes the airplane part.
Huh?
Here's the airplane.
Well, why don't you do it?
Here comes the airplane.
Awesome.
Oh, Dad got one on me.
Can I do it again?
This time you think you can put it in his mouth?
Uh-huh.
You sure? Okay, give it a shot. Rub it, put it in and then just lift it up. There you go. What I do is I put it in and let his gums take it all off. Should put it in the bottle. Easy does better.
Can I put the TV back on?
Okay.
Yeah.
Nope, sit back. Sit back.
You can make him throw up on you. Now maybe you'll sleep through the night, Jackson. Wouldn't that be cool? Did it get hotter in here?
Yep. Skylar, turn that heater off, baby. Just go hit the off button.
You are pretty clean for a first-time eater.
Me?
Well, actually, yeah, you were too.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Do you notice his eyes are like rolling up in the back of his head every time you give him the bottle?
Mm.
He's like, oh yes.
Baby girl, you need channel 28. Go down a couple channels. There you go.
Hmm.
Stop.